Hello, you must be Eric Thomas. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Thomas, my name is Robin Ramsay. I'm a judge or magistrate for the county. So part of my job most days is just to meet with people, tell them what they've been charged, their rights and their bond. Let's see what charge they have you here for. And I believe you already have an attorney by the name of Angel Mata. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Mr. Thomas, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 charges. Good news is 4 of them have bonds, although one's cash. I'll go over that in a second. But you do have one that shows no bond currently. Is Mr. Mata over at the courthouse trying to get a bond set for you on this case?
No, sir. I'm on a bench warrant from TDC.
Oh, you're right. That would just be a horrible tease then, wouldn't it?
Yes, sir.
And you post all that money and we'd still keep you here, but we're glad you're home. So that's good.
Yeah.
So the charge that has no bond is out of the 362nd District Court, Judge McFarland's Court, warrant F20-1221-362 for manufacture of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams, saying you failed to appear. But I have a feeling that there's a good reason why you didn't show up.
Correct.
That one currently showing no bond allowed. One charge of driving while intoxicated, failure to appear out of County Criminal Court number 3, CR 2021-02153-C, bond at $2,500, but cash only. Charge of possession of controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams, still unindicted, still unfiled, MC 2005088 at $10,017.16. Possession of marijuana under 2 ounces amount, MC 2005091 at $517.16, and possession of dangerous drug, MC 2100632 at $2,517.16. So those last 3 are still unfiled. But the good part of that is your attorney might be able to get those cases dismissed or disposed in some other context, so we can get those behind you as well. And as you're probably aware, they had your bench warrant up here, so you can probably try to run some of your time concurrently so you can get everything taken care of before you leave. That way, once you get this behind you, you can start over again, and hopefully everything was going to go smoothly after that.
Yes, sir.
So you still have all your same constitutional rights, even though it probably doesn't feel like it. Certainly still have the right to remain silent. Do not have to talk to police at all, because anything you say can and probably will be used against you later on. So you still want to be careful what you say. If you start to make a statement to the police, you can always stop at any time. You do not have to continue to talk. Do have the right to speak with an attorney. Have an attorney present or any question. Have the attorney represent you at trial. And if you couldn't afford an attorney, Denton County would appoint and pay for an attorney for you. But Mr. Mata is a retained counsel. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And of course, you certainly still have the right to a trial by judge or jury. Just because you're charged doesn't mean you're guilty. In fact, you have a right to an examining trial in those cases that still have not been indicted. So if you understand all your rights, your 5 cases and your no bond and bond statuses, let me get your signature on that line, just saying you understand rights, charge, and bond. So I'm really not telling you anything you didn't know. I'm just kind of the welcoming guy. It's not my hotel. I'm just kind of the concierge, I guess. So, and since Mr. Mata is your retained counsel, let me get your initials in the top box saying you do not need a court-appointed counsel and you're not claiming to be indigent. Well, hopefully Mr. Mata can get you over to court there next week and we try to get this behind you. So what unit are you in?
I went from, I'm at Buster Cole right now.
That's not a bad one, is it?
No, that's a daycare, really. It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Beto, I was there 16 days and four murders.
That's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's like the 3 a.m. alley in South Dallas, I guess. But yeah, it's not, I mean, it's all not good. So it's just
That's true. That's true. Any place that you can't leave is not good. So, well, we'll try to get this help get this behind you, and hopefully you can start over new here soon.
Amen. I appreciate it.
All right. Thanks. Bye.